Okay, this video is all about how you structure a response at Animal Farm. This isn't about what you write, it's how you write it. So if we begin by having a look at a question, this is worth 25% of your GCSE literature grade. There are 40 marks available for this. 8 of those are for spelling, punctuation and grammar. The other 32 are all about your analysis and what you write. Now, this is a tough question in the sense of you just get given a short quote, but not to use necessarily. You just get given that quote to introduce the question. Now, we've spoken how it can be about a character, theme, or a relationship. You also have to talk about the context of the novel. Now, we're going to talk about in another video textual reference versus quotations, but this is all about the structure. Now, you will have about 50 minutes to do this question. So it's about what you write for 50 minutes. How much do I write, sir? Is a paragraph enough? Well, no, you're looking for about a page and a half, 2 pages, at least. So that can't all be one paragraph. So essentially what we're writing here is an essay. So we need to think about how we write an essay. Now, I've introduced this idea, or I will introduce the idea of an umbrella, and I'm going to explain it in this video as well as, of course, in lesson. So here is a question. Explain the significance of Old Major in the novel. This is a character question. We're looking at Old Major. Now, what we need is a structure to follow. But first we need an overall idea. So why is Old Major significant? This is our overall idea. This is our argument. This then becomes our introduction paragraph. So he's significant because what? We then have 3 points. This could be 3 things he does. This could be 3 moments in the novel, but 3 things that we could write about Old Major and why he's significant. All of these become paragraphs. The first one is an introduction paragraph. So it's not that long. We don't need to worry about quotations. And it just introduces your overall idea. This might only be 2 sentences long. These are PE. This is really where you earn your marks. So, if we look at the question, significance of Old Major, well, he inspires the rebellion. That's what he does. That's my overall idea about what he does. Here are my 3 points. Old Major is a little bit difficult because he only appears in one part of the novel. If it was someone like Boxer, I could say Boxer at the start of the novel, Boxer in the Battle of the Cowshed, Boxer at the end where he gets taken off to the glue factory. So it could be 3 different points in the novel. That's probably the easiest way to do it. It could be 3 different ideas. So I've focused on his speech and how he talks about unity, equality, how he's persuasive, and then at the end, how that's changed with how it's abused by Stalin, Napoleon. So if we begin with our overall idea, this becomes an introduction paragraph, 2 sentences. The first sentence answers the question. This is a bit like a point sentence, I guess. Old Major is a significant character in the novel Animal Farm because, so all I've done there is I've taken the words from the question, I've put them there, and then I've said, why is he significant? Utopia means ideal, paradise, okay? So his vision of a paradise in the future. The second sentence is about context. So first sentence answers the question, second about context, okay? He is the Lenin of the novel who introduces the many themes associated with communism. That's 2 sentences, that's it. That'll take you maybe 5 minutes to write, if that. Then we have our PE paragraphs. You're probably looking to spend, let's say, 10, 12 minutes on each, looking for maybe 2, 3 pieces of evidence for each. But we'll talk about that in another video. Here I've just provided an example. I'm not going to go through that, but here is a PE paragraph. So essentially what we'll end up with is our introduction, our first PE paragraph, our second PE paragraph, and our third PE paragraph. And these are all based on the umbrella plan that we did at the start of the lesson. A key thing here, if we have a look in our PE paragraphs, I have used connectives, okay, just to link my paragraphs together. And this is something, again, that we will obviously be talking about as well. It just allows us, like I said in that comment there, to link the essay together. So again, in summary, what we're looking for is introduction paragraph, 3 PE paragraphs, page and a half, 2 pages, but the way that we structure it is via this umbrella method. Again, it will take practice, but hopefully with this video and the work we do in lesson, you will be able to get there.